Torres. I own a wedding photography, videography, and coaching business based in Florida. I travel worldwide to photograph weddings and elopements, and I love helping other photographers through education. Today we're talking about what I think is an amazing and super affordable camera for getting started as a couples and wedding photographer, the Canon EOS R10. You have access to some really advanced technology at such an affordable price point. I'm so excited to be working with Canon to test out their R10. It's a mirrorless camera with a crop sensor and it shoots at 24 megapixels. It even features Canon's dual pixel CMOS sensor as well as high-speed continuous shooting capabilities. This is a similar subject detection and tracking technology as the EOS R3, which is currently their top-of-the-line full-frame mirrorless camera. To have Canon's best technology built into such an affordable camera is truly impressive. Today I'm shooting with the Canon EOS R10 and the RF 35mm 1.8 macro lens. I'm using a 35mm for this portrait session because this is a crop sensor camera and it's going to act more like a 50mm, which is what I would typically choose for a session like this. As I used the R10 during our test shoot, I immediately noticed how amazing the autofocus is. It's quick, it's sharp, and the subject detection makes it hard to miss focus. I'm going to put this in high-speed continuous shooting for this one because I want to make sure that I get all of the movement. Okay, ready guys? Go for it. I also love the flip out rotating screen for if I'm holding my camera up really high or low to get a creative angle. The camera is lightweight, but the build quality is really sturdy and high quality. It feels great in your hands and the button placement is really intuitive to quickly changing your settings in a fast-paced environment. These are some of my favorite photos from my first two shoots with the R10. The quality is really professional and the photos are super sharp. If you're looking for a highly capable camera to invest in to kick off your career as a photographer, the R10 is one to seriously consider. You can get set up with an R10 body and a 35mm lens at a really affordable price point. If you've tried out the R10, let me know how you liked it in the comments and feel free to leave any questions as well.